talaga ang talagang parang destiny para sa kanilang dalawa. Nag-start tong project na to without Marian and Michael. May ginagawa siyang Maya. Nag-ending niya yung Marian. Kaya mukhang patungo talaga sila sa altar.
Kaya nga po, maraming salamat sa Jimmy at nabigyan po kami ng pagkakataon.
Abangan live! Love is in the air, celebrating Valentine's Day. Let us not forget that our families love us first. Your sweethearts may come and go, but the strongest connections are always at home. Kaya salamat sa PLDT Mighty Express. High-speed internet. It's super easy to send love by tweeting messages and video chatting with my siblings and other relatives overseas. Yan po ang pinakahuling mensahe ng PLDT Mighty SL. Magbabalik po ang start.
Pag mga